Hello and welcome back to the channel The Wine Zodiac. Everybody has their different mental abilities. Zodiac signs definitely influence their barrier to some degree or another. It is only common that every zodiac sign will have some common personality traits and mental abilities that are dispersed within its barrier. Some crucial pointers needs to be noted for all viewers before proceeding on with this video. Astrology has a rich and diverse history and has been studied for the centuries. During this time, each sun sign has amassed its own culture, personality, traits, beliefs, animals, and myths. Also, no zodiac sign is perfect, and it is not a matter of whether it is good luck to be born under a certain sun sign, as everyone has their pros and cons. Aries. Aries is the first zodiac sign. It is a fire sign and is represented by the ram. They are bold, have a strong mindset, and never shy away from challenges. Aries are born under the fire sign. They be having strong passions and warrior-like personality. Aries are known to be dedicated, courageous, and brave, which all indicate that they are hand-strong and have nerves for steel. Taurus. Taurians, represented by the bull, are easygoing and enjoy relaxing environments. They are in sync with their internal body clock and can manage their time exceptionally well. Taurians are also domestic by nature and want to stick to their routines more than anything else. Taurians are reliable, stick to daily routine, and are willing to give their heart and soul for the job. Gemini. Fickle-minded and always indecisive, the Gemini is also conflicted in whatever they do, especially in making decisions. However, their mental prowess is one on full display while solving or understanding difficult concepts. Geminis are indecisive and like to have an overview of all the angles of a problem before making a logical decision, making them excellent in decision making. They are always ready to help those around them and are excellent to making friends. Cancer. Represented by the crab cancers and Heliers are their touch as like magic to other sun signs. They have adaptive and initiative minds and can sacrifice their own happiness for others. Cancer are emotional bunch and they are able to gauge and understand the personality and emotional traits of others, thereby making them initiative. Leo. Ruled by the sun and represented by the lions, Leos are the royals among the zodiac signs. Naturally, Leos are hot-headed and they expect everyone else to treat them like kings and queens, feeling which might earn the lowest worth. Leos are known to never back down from a challenge and are extremely protective of their friends. They are self-confident, broad thinkers and are artistic as well. Virgo. Earthly and humble Virgos are known for following up on their own decisions and years perfections in anything and everything in life. Virgos are always eager to meet challenges and take up initiative when no one else is ready to do the same. Freedom and adventures loving Virgos are also enlightening people around them. This goes to show how mature and knowledgeable Virgos are. Libra. Represented by the only non-living objects in the list, Librians are dynamic thinkers and are excellent caregivers. Librians are known to be perfectionists and are a valuable addition to an and every group project. They are level-headed and accept their own mistakes and look forward to redeem them. Librian, just as their symbol, represents balance and harmony. Scorpio. One of the most misunderstood zodiac sign is Scorpio. They are mistaken for being a fire element, whereas in reality they represent water. Initiative, having a strong personality and manipulative, as well Scorpio are determined creatures. Scorpios use their experiences and lessons learned towards correcting their future selves. Sagittarius. Sagittarians are represented by the archer and belong to the element of fire. Always open to new experiences, Sagittarians find pleasures in anything they set their eyes on. They are philosophical and optimistic even in the face of doom. Their enthusiasm can rival the other sun signs. Capricorn. Capricorns are the last earth sign holders and have a strong mind that does not bow down in the face of difficulty and challenges. Determination, patience, goal-oriented, trustworthy are some of the adjectives that can be used to describe a Capricorn. Just like the mountain goat that represents a Capricorn, it has a lot of good qualities, perseverance amongst them the most rewarded. Aquarius. Aquarians are dedicated to helping others and want peace and harmony throughout the world. Aquarians are critical thinkers and have excellent social skills, one of the most rational-minded zodiac signs. Aquarians truly appreciate the scientific way of doing things and are extremely objective in their options and views. They belong to the air element. Fishes. Fishes belong to the water and signifies the fish. They are one of the best lovers and will devote their lives to caring for the ones they love. Initiative and creative fishes have strong imaginations and artistic inspirations. They believe friends and family can give the strength one needs to fight all battles in life. Thus, in this video, we covered in detail all of the 12 zodiac signs and their mental traits will be apparent to the reader after going through in this video. It is important to reiterate that it is not a competition and no sun sign is better than the other. However, learning the characteristics of all sun signs will help the viewer to lead their own better. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on post notification so you'll never miss any of our future fascinating and interesting video like that one. So stay tuned for viewing that kinds of the videos.